Yeah. Now let's see PyCharm IDE installation and first Python program using PyCharm IDE. PyCharm IDE is one of the most popular IDE software team. Most of Python developers, Python framework developers uses PyCharm IDE for developing Python applications. Let's see how to install PyCharm IDE and how to uh, write first Python program using PyCharm IDE. Open any web browser. I am opening Google Chrome and download PyCharm IDE. PyCharm IDE download. Search this one and you can see first link JetBrains. Click on this download PyCharm IDE and here you can see uh, PyCharm IDE. PyCharm IDE comes with community version and enterprise version team. So we are downloading community version. It is free. Here you can see download option. Click on download. Then it will start a download. Uh, let's wait a few more seconds to complete the download. It is also a bigger file. And once the download is completed, we are going to see how to install PyCharm IDE. Let's wait a few more seconds to complete download. Yeah, download is completed. Let's open the folder. Double click on this PyCharm IDE folder, exe file. Then it will start installing. It will open a pop-up window. Click on Yes button. Then click on Next button. Click on Next button and create a PyCharm IDE in desktop shortcut. Click on Next button. Click on Install. Yeah, installation is successful. Click on Finish button. You can see icon in desktop. Double click on this PyCharm IDE, and before that, create a workspace. We already created a workspace. We already created a workspace here in C drive workspace Python for AWS. Then skip for import, and here you can see you can create a new Python script. You can create a new project, or you can clone from any version control systems like Git repository, or you can open a folder. Click on open a folder and go to C drive, go to workspace and open Python for AWS folder and click on trust this project. And here you can close this one, and here left side you can see plus symbol, or you can click on right click and click on new Python file. Let's say I'm taking demo.py, press enter, then write a Python statements. Let me copy these Python statements. So in this way too. So if you observe here, we are seeing the font is very small. If you want to increase, you can go this button. You can go here, settings. Here you can see appearance, uh, search font. Click on font. Increase font size. So font size is increased. You can see below. You can see Python here. You can see Python 3.14 is set. Right click on this one. You can see run demo. Click on run demo. See, we see output here. So clear writing, how to install PyCharm IDE, how to write first Python program using PyCharm IDE.